Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Hyundai Staria Elite, stock reference number 5744. This shape runs from the 4th month 2021 and is the current shape. It has a D4 HP, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. D4 HP, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand daytime running light, left-hand headlight, left guard has no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, both left-hand doors have no damage. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand lower tail light, left hand upper tail light. Bumper cover. Tailgate has one large dent. Suit private. Right hand lower tail light, right hand upper tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right hand doors have no damage. Right guard has a small dent. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, center console, gear shifter, sat nav, display screen with heated controls, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4 spokes leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.